Okay, part two, you ready? Now we're open in Photoshop. Here's the image. Take a look at your layers. Um, I think at the end of at part one, I said to merge all the layers, but you should go back in history or just go Command Z because merging all the type layers is not what we want to do. You need to have separate, see the T? You need separate type layers. Okay, so just one more time. If you merged all those, here I'll show you. Layer, merge visible. See, it's not a text layer anymore, so I made a mistake. I didn't catch that. Okay, now you can go back. If you've gotten that far and there's a problem, go back in history. Here's window, history, and then you can go back a bunch of steps. Um, Also, Command Z does the same thing. Okay, so this is what you need. All of your imagery is on one layer, but all the type is separate. Okay, so that's what I've done and I've saved it. Okay, save it as a Photoshop doc, and again, you should be saving everything as you go in case there's an issue. Okay, save changes. Yeah, I'm going to save that. Okay, then, okay, what are we doing? We're opening it in Illustrator to change it to a vector image. So, open with Illustrator. This is important. Convert layers to objects and make text editable where possible. Okay, if you hadn't done that, then the text can look kind of junky. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Okay, now we're going to vectorize it, turn it into vector shapes. We're in the selection tool. We're in this layer here on the layers. See, this is all your copy, right? Placeholder copy that you can edit because we wanted to make it editable. So that's this one. So say you spelled something wrong or whatever, you can change it. Okay, if you hadn't done that, you wouldn't be able to change it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to that layer, in this tool, select that, and then go image trace, select this little down pointing arrow, high fidelity photo. Okay. Okay, important, you have to expand. Okay, now you've got all your shapes here. Now we can make this really big or really little, whatever we want, because it's a vector image now. Okay, now the idea, where are we here, is, shoot, okay, save all work in progress as you go. Once you have your three finished Illustrator documents, open one artboard at 16 by 7.5. Choose a background color that flatters your imagery, then place the three images on that artboard, 1 inch in between. You can also edit your artboard size. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. You can do either one of these, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to edit this artboard size because I already have it open. So, looking for properties, edit artboard, and then artboard options, 16 by 7.5. Okay. Alright, good. Now we have it. And then you're supposed to, if you have a lot of light colors, then you might want to have a dark background. Once you get your other two images ready, then put those on here. How do you do it? Sometimes you could just get stuck on stuff like that. So say you have, alright, say you've designed a different one. You would select all, copy it, Command C, and then paste it. Go back to this artboard and then paste it. So say this is your second one. Just line it up nicely. Command R brings your rulers down so you can make sure that they're all lined up right. Okay? Oops. Okay, that's basically it, and then another one will go here. Okay, I will review the submission specs in class, but this is it. This is step by step. And I think once you're done with this, you're done. Done and done. Okay, thank you.